kind of just have to like look at your surroundings and kind of predict how the ball is going to react and like apply to that accordingly. You see how it just rolls and rolls and rolls right next to the cup. Sophie, I play competitive golf. I've been doing it for like 5 years now. I've traveled all over the East Coast and played like a bunch of like, really big tournaments. And I plan on going out west, playing more, and possibly going to college, and go pro.
It's more to it. Tell them how many tournaments you've won.
Lost count.
All the names of the Futures and Bell and Prep National Order of Merit winners over the years. Some great names on this list, a couple LPGA Tour players, a couple All-Americans, and we will be adding another new name today. With her victory here today, she has secured the 2018-2019 PKB Futures National Champion, Miss Sophie Latour. You got it? All right, let's see it, champ. You want to do this?
And the North Carolina Women's Amateur is all of the women amateurs.
Wow.
They're college, and some of them were pro. That are now, they're no longer playing pro, but they're playing amateur. So, and she placed 7th in that category.
Back in 2019, I won Peggy Kirkbell Tour Series. Peggy Kirkbell is a girls-only golf tour. It's based in North Carolina, but they go all over the East Coast, and I won the whole series for that. I've won a bunch of more, like other Peggy Kirkbell tournaments. I placed 2nd at the CGA Girls Junior, which is a big tournament.
How many years she said she's been playing golf? How many years?